ourselves A and B. We're each going to do 5 different moves and then we're going to switch.
I flick the switch on the generator so I can turn you on. You better get to know your operator before you pack that toy. You own the lock and the key for the window to my soul. Yeah, that's the only thing you talk about. You gotta let me know, 'cause it must have been something out of control. Yeah, it must have been worth it, 'cause I had nothing left to show. How you put my life in your hands when you open up your heart and your soul. Take my love and never grow old. Yeah, open up your heart and your soul, 'cause if you're looking for something to love, you gotta let me know. I put the sun in an elevator and took it to my home. I'm still living on a ladder from the sky to the floor. Don't look down, you got a long way to go. And if you wanna live, you better let the man go. 'Cause it must have been something out of control. Yeah, it must have been worth it, 'cause I had nothing left to show. How you put my life in your hands when you open up your heart and your soul. Take my love and never grow old. Yeah, open up your heart and your soul, 'cause if you're looking for something.
Okay, if you've both done A's moves and B's moves, let's see if we can do it again. Come on. Right, that's it from Korcula today and from us too. Hope you enjoyed the couples workout. We're off for our cool down now, so see you again next week. Right, let's go, Reese.
Chuck her in.
No!
Reese, go!
Why would you not chuck me in this urchin?
There's urchins.